What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Huawei P40 Pro, Huawei Mate 30 Pro, Huawei Nova 5T, Huawei Nova 7i and Huawei Y9s smartphones. So all of these smartphones, they are from the different segment, and we are going to do a quick benchmarking comparison to see how much difference we are going to get in terms of benchmarking test score. So the benchmarking applications we got today here, they are Antutu benchmarking, Geekbench 5 and 3D Mark. We have already performed all of these tests and we are just going to have a quick look on the test score result. But first of all, if you have not subscribed to this channel so far, then press the subscribe button and do not forget to press on the bell icon as well to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's just start with Antutu benchmarking. P40 Pro scored 467,916, Mate 30 Pro scored 443,446, Nova 5T scored 386,718, Huawei Nova 7i scored 302,037 and Y9s scored 183,848. So first position, second position, third position, fourth position and fifth position. You can also have a look on the individual test score result of these smartphones for CPU, GPU, memory and UX. So once again, for CPU the pattern is same: first position, second position, third position, fourth, and then Y9s at fifth position. Same goes with the GPU as well, memory as well, and for UX as well. And that's why the overall score is also representing the same pattern, that P40 Pro is at the first position, after that Mate 30 Pro, then Huawei Nova 5T, then Nova 7i, and then at last Y9s. Now let's go back from here and let's have a look on the next one, and that's 3D Mark. So this test is divided in two parts, Slingshot and Slingshot Extreme, and Slingshot Extreme is once again divided in two parts. So here we go with the result. So first of all, let's talk about the Slingshot. P40 Pro scored 4090, Mate 30 Pro scored 4284, Nova 5T scored 4113, Nova 7i scored 3235 and Y9s scored 1159. So this time it's changed a bit. First position is occupied by Mate 30 Pro. At the second spot it's Huawei Nova 5T, third spot P40 Pro, fourth spot Nova 7i, and once again at last position it is Huawei Y9s. Now let's talk about the Slingshot Extreme. It is divided in two parts, OpenGL and Vulkan. So P40 Pro scored 5706 in OpenGL, 5481 in Vulkan. Mate 30 Pro scored 5742 in OpenGL and 5406 in Vulkan. Nova 5T scored 4611 in OpenGL, 4410 in Vulkan. Nova 7i scored 2822 in OpenGL and 2619 in Vulkan. And at last, Y9s scored 870 in OpenGL and 939 in Vulkan. So for Slingshot Extreme Vulkan, you can see we are getting the same pattern that we have seen on Antutu benchmarking, that P40 Pro is at the first position, then Mate 30 Pro, then Nova 5T, then Nova 7i, and then Y9s. But if you are talking about the Slingshot Extreme OpenGL, then at the first position once again it's Mate 30 Pro, then P40 Pro, and after that it's the same pattern: Nova 5T, Nova 7i and Y9s. So in this test we can say the winner is Mate 30 Pro, because out of these three, in two of them it is the winner, and after that we can consider second position P40 Pro, then Nova 5T, Nova 7i and then Y9s. Let's go back from here and now let's have a look on the last test, and that's the Geekbench 5. So this one is divided in two parts, CPU and compute, and CPU is divided in once again in single core and multi-core. So first of all, let's have a look on the CPU test score result. So in single core, P40 Pro scored 757, Mate 30 Pro scored 756, Nova 5T scored 684, Nova 7i scored 591 and Y9s scored 322. In multi-core, P40 Pro scored 3073, Mate 30 Pro scored 2953, Nova 5T scored 2448, Nova 7i scored 1881 and Y9s scored 1349. So as you can see that it's the same pattern: first position, second position, third position, fourth position and fifth position for both single core and multi-core. So now let's go back from here and let's have a look on the compute test score result, and it's the exactly same pattern. So P40 Pro is at the first position with 3675, Mate 30 Pro is at the second position with 3671, Nova 5T is at third position with 2782, Nova 7i is at fourth position with 2273, and at the last spot it's Y9s once again. So in both tests, CPU and compute, it's the same pattern that we have seen. So we can consider P40 Pro is scoring the most point overall. After that, it's Mate 30 Pro, then Huawei Nova 5T, Nova 7i, and then Y9s. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.